Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to apply conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So stay tuned and watch till the end. In this simple example, I have two column, column 1, column 2, which has different devices name. So if I want to highlight any specific text, so what I will do, I will select the whole data. I will just select from the mouse, and then within the Home tab, you can see conditional formatting. You click on this one. The first one is highlight cell rules. It has different options. Our relevant option is text that contain. So because I want to highlight some specific text, so I will pick this one. And now small window will pop up. Now you can type the text which you want to highlight. For example, if I want to highlight the text laptop, so it will highlight that text. And now on the right hand side, I can choose the different color. Like if I want the green filled with dark green text, so it will highlight the text with the green background. So press OK. Now you can see the the specific text has been highlighted. So if I want to filter out, I can just filter by color, pick this one, and it will filter the green text, green highlighted text. Control Z to go back. There is a shortcut key to apply the formatting as well. First, I will remove this formatting by selecting all the text. And from the Home tab, right hand side, there is a clear option. If I click Node on the side, it is a clear formats. I click this one, it will clear all the formats. There is shortcut key to highlight the text. So first, I will select the data, press Ctrl A. It will select all the data, including the column heading, and then press Alt H LHT. A same window will pop up. So it's asking which text you want to highlight. And this time, if I want to highlight mobile, and then I want to change its color to red text or red border. So it will red border the specific cell. Press OK. Now you can see it has highlighted those cells which has that specific text. So this is how you can apply the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Hit the like button if you like this video.